So speaking of Middie Rising, we kicked that off about two and a half years ago. Is there a moment in time over the last 2.5 years since Middie Rising surfaced that made you believe, or you discovered, hey, I really believe in this idea of Middie Rising?
I'm enjoying seeing the maker spaces in the elementary buildings. To see the kids basically clamoring to want to go in there, which is really just activating the tools that are already there in terms of learning. I did with the special needs children, and it amazes me that I have an autistic child that can play with Play-Doh and make a bronco horse and the man on the horse and make all of the sounds. And you tell me this autistic child can't learn. That's not true.
Yeah.
Give them the tools.
You could be making future engineers that they had no idea they wanted to be. My nieces are in elementary school, and they talked. One was so excited this morning, she just kept saying, "I get to go to that space." And I was like, "Makerspace," and she said, "Yeah, that was like the highlight of her Friday today."
I'm excited to hear that inclusive piece.
Yeah.
We started really a lot about equity. And as you start getting equitable opportunities into the district to make sure every kid's got access, that was one thing we're not going to compromise. We wanted everybody to have a chance. So if Middie Rising is going to be real, it's going to be a thing, if it's going to be a movement, a feeling, it can't be about one person.
Correct.
Right, so I just want to push a little bit and just get curious about why do you think people feel that way?
It's like a family environment. I think teachers are close to each other. They're close with other staff members. They're close with people from the district. And I think it's just all a trickle-down effect. They're excited about where everything's going, and it's a family atmosphere. It's like a big company ran like a mom and pop shop. Does that make sense?
Love it. Absolutely
okay.
Love it.
All right.
Absolutely love it.
Yeah. That's how I feel. Yeah, steal it. It's fine.
What's one thing you're most proud of when it comes to Middletown City Schools?
I'm proud of the new buildings. It's something to be proud of. To walk into that high school and see that arena, just to see all of the technology, everything's state of the art, and that's for me. I'm proud that we can be proud enough to have buildings like that.
It's been a collaborative effort, and I think that's what's important. Whatever city you're in, it's about are we working together.
Now we'll celebrate dotting the I.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. No pressure, but yes.
I can say that overall, this entire ride-along experience, right? Overall in this experience, I'm hearing one thing that really puts a smile on your face, and that's belief. Belief in people, belief in kids, belief in teachers, belief in adults, belief in what's possible, belief in what's actually taking place, and belief that all students can be successful. I will say that for me as a superintendent, the opportunity to go listen and activate the voice of our community and the different stakeholders in here gave me a chance to really understand that Middie Rising is not just a phrase, it's not just a slogan, it's not just hype, right? We heard today that it means something, it feels something. And more importantly, it is fueling the passion and the motivation around all sectors of our district. And at the heart of that belief and that inspiration, you heard it throughout this entire experience, people. The belief that people have about what's possible for our district and the excitement behind that. It's a great day to be a Middie. It's a proud day to be a Middie. The future is bright for our district. Excited to be part of that. More importantly, I'm excited, as the kids said today, that we as adults are providing them the opportunity to make their dreams come true. I truly believe that. The kids believe it. You heard today that the adults and the community believe it also. And it's very powerful when you've got a movement that consists of positive people who are working hard to believe and invest in the futures of others. We call it the Middie Modernization Movement. #Middie Rising.